Hi everyone. Alright, I'm just going to do a quick install of Apex here just to show you guys how quick, simple, and professional it is. First, we'll wipe out the current install. Hang on. And this is just a typical Ubuntu server which you can pick up from DigitalOcean. Just even a $10 or $20 a month account would be fine. Okay, as you see, I wiped the directory and the data and recreated the database. So to install, just run the composer command. Give that a couple minutes to load. If you're not familiar with Composer, right now it's just simply downloading the Apex codebase plus all dependencies from Packagist and GitHub. Just give it a minute or two to finish. Oh, and apologies if my screen reader shows up in the background noise of this video, but not much I can do about that. And again, this is just a typical Ubuntu server. You can pick one up from DigitalOcean. Even $10 or $20 a month account is all you need. Okay, there we go. It's done. I simply run the Apex PHP script. It'll jump into the installation guide. Your Redis information. Fine. Your MySQL information. There we go. Done. That's all it takes. So I'll show you what happened. Oops. There we go. So we now have our new Apex system all set up. Hang on. Time's out. There we go. Create a first administrator. And we're in the administrator. As you'll see in the navigation menu, it's just a very small bare bones system, no real functionality at all. Then all depending on your client's needs, you're going to want to install some packages. So let's go do that. APX, back to terminal, install, let's go web app, users, transaction, support, dev-kit. And right now it is downloading these packages from the actual Apex repository. And that's it. They're all installed. We can go back to the administration. And now, as you can see, we have all of our menus and functionality ready to go. Okay. Now, one last thing to show you. For example, if a client has access to some commercial packages, we can easily install them pretty much as easy. So first, and this does have full support. One second here. And this does have full support for repositories, so you can easily create your own public or private repository if you want to host your own commercial client code base. So for example, say a client purchased the Bitcoin. Whoop. Whoops, what happened there? APX. There. That should go through. And voila, that's it. Now our commercial packages are also installed. As you can see, we now have our new crypto menu here. And it was that simple. What else here? Also comes with a default public website, but you should be able to take any zip file off ThemeForest and have it integrated into Apex within the hour. Like I know WordPress plugins are a nightmare to work with because they mix PHP and HTML code, but this is actually nice and clean and simple. Any zip file of theme for should be integrated in an hour. There will be a library of Apex themes available with full integration with the Envato Purchase API. Yeah, please check it out. Thanks, guys. Oh.